Unwrapping the magic of Yuletide Greetings, a journey into English holiday phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase that you might hear a lot during the holiday season: Yuletide Greetings. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and where it comes from, you're in the right place. So, let's unwrap the magic behind these words together. Yuletide Greetings is a phrase filled with warmth and history. To understand it, let's break it down into two parts: Yuletide and greetings. Yuletide. This term is deeply rooted in history, dating back to ancient celebrations around the winter solstice. Yule refers to the festive season that occurs in December and January, traditionally a time for gathering, feasting, and merrymaking. In many cultures, Yule is synonymous with Christmas, although its origins are much older. Greetings. Simply put, greetings are expressions of good wishes. When someone greets you, they're offering you their regards, often with kindness and warmth. Together, Yuletide greetings means offering good wishes to someone during the Yule season. It's a way of sharing joy, warmth, and the festive spirit of this special time of year. Yuletide has a rich history that predates modern Christmas celebrations. It originated from ancient winter solstice festivities, particularly in Germanic and Norse cultures. During Yuletide, people celebrated the return of the sun, as the days would slowly start to get longer after the solstice. This period was marked by feasting, large meals shared with family and friends; merrymaking, joyful activities, singing and dancing; gift-giving, the exchange of gifts as a symbol of prosperity and goodwill. Understanding Yuletide helps us appreciate the depth of the phrase, Yuletide Greetings. It's not just a holiday wish. It's a connection to centuries of human tradition, celebrating light, life, and community. You might be wondering, how can I use this phrase in my own holiday celebrations? Yuletide Greetings is perfect for holiday cards. Add a touch of historical charm to your holiday cards by wishing your loved ones Yuletide greetings. Social media posts. Stand out in your friends' feeds with this unique holiday wish. Personal greetings. Impress friends and family with your knowledge of this traditional phrase when you see them during the holiday season. Remember, using Yuletide greetings is a wonderful way to connect with the rich traditions of the past while spreading joy and warmth in the present. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of Yuletide greetings. This phrase is more than just a simple holiday wish. It's a bridge to history, tradition, and the universal human experience of celebrating together in the darkest days of winter. By using it, you're not just offering holiday wishes, you're reviving and participating in an ancient tradition. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Until next time, we wish you all the best and, of course, Yuletide greetings.